Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to add to calendar links for events, calendars, and RSVPs right into your Mailchimp email. No coding required, so let's get started. So starting off here in Mailchimp, we will just click Create Email and select the type of email that you would like to send. I'll choose Basic and then a minimal layout. So the first way I'm going to show you to add to calendar links to your email is through our Add to Calendar Links app. Under the content block section, you'll select apps and then drag that into your email. There we go. And then you'll select AddEvent Calendar Links. From here, you're going to be given the choice to share an event or calendar. If you're sharing an event, you'll choose the calendar that you want to choose the event from. And then it will ask you to select the event. You'll have all of your event details here, and you can choose the link style. So I'm going to go with the classic logos, and then you could also align it left, center, or right. And then the text that says Add Event to Calendar, you can choose to hide it or include Add Event to Calendar. I like the text, so I will leave that there, but you could always hide the text and add your own copy around these Add to Calendar links. So now from here, you could save and exit and send off this email, and these Add to Calendar links would be included, so your audience opens their email and they're presented with the Add to Calendar links. Now I want to show you the second way that you can add to Calendar links to your email. Let's jump over to AddEvent. So now I'm on my AddEvent dashboard, and I am going to grab the Add to Calendar links for an event from my AddEvent dashboard. I'm clicking into my event details page, and then I'm going to scroll down to Add to Calendar links, and I will grab the source code for an Add to Calendar links. Click copy, and then let me just delete this. And I'm going to now use a code block. So I'll drag the code block here, and then the source code that we just copied, I will paste here. And now the Add to Calendar links are included in my email. Similarly to before, if you do it by copying the code in AddEvent, you're able to create a style and customize it to match your branding, whereas the Add to Calendar links app limits the look of it a little bit more, but both ways are seamless for getting your events into your emails. Now I want to show you what this will look like with an RSVP event. So again, I'm going to start with the Add to Calendar links app. Select Add to Calendar or AddEvent Calendar Links, the calendar, and then the event. And the RSVP button will populate into your email. You can change the button color, the size of the button, whether it's filled, outlined, the shape, and then alignment or icon, no icon. So that's the customization options if you choose the AddEvent Calendar Links app. If you wanted to share this event in your email via AddEvent, you can go to your event details page and then scroll down to the RSVP button sharing method. Very similarly to the Add to Calendar links for an event that's non-RSVP, you can customize and create a style here, and then you would grab the source code, go back to your email, add a code block, and then paste in the code that we just copied. And now the RSVP button is included on your email. So again, non-RSVP event, RSVP event, you can add it with the Links app or straight from AddEvent, and you can also include a calendar in the same ways. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us at support@addevent.com. We've got help docs and other videos that you might find helpful, so check those out. But hope this helps, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.